Welcome to Obligr.com. In this video we will see how to add KYC and how to add billing details in Obligr Platform. Log in your account on Obligr. After login, you will see menu on left hand of your screen. Go to Dashboard. Click on KYC details. Select your document type. Upload your documents. Click on Update KYC. It will be verified by Obligr Team within 10 minutes. Till then we will update billing details. Go to Billing Address option under Dashboard. Fill your billing details from which you want your invoice to be raised from Obligr Platform. GST details is not mandatory. If you do not have GST, then leave it blank. Click on Submit. Awesome, you have learned how to update KYC on Obligr Platform and how to update billing details. Now check next video for further use. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice time.